Welcome to An American Accent. In this video, we'll work on the difference between F and the TH voiceless sound. Th. Many languages do not have the TH sound, whether voiceless th, or voiced th, and they replace it with different sounds. In the case of as in thing, some people will replace it with an F instead. So when you produce an F, which is a continuing voiceless sound, you do not use your vocal cords. Your top teeth are going to rest gently on your lower lip and let air through a little bit. And make sure your top lip does not come down to meet your lower lip. For TH, instead, your tongue will touch the top teeth, letting a little bit of air out. You should be able to see the tongue. If it's behind your teeth, it's going to sound more like an S. So let's practice F, top teeth on your lower lip, and your tongue touching your top teeth. Free, 3, first, thirst, thought, thought, froze, throws, death, death. This is all a matter of controlling which parts of your speech organ, like lips, teeth, tongue, position inside of the mouth. So if you develop muscle memory by practicing this, it will start to come out right by itself with time. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.